Cause I don't play no games. But it's not looking good. Let me just pull off real quick. I hope I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Boy, I don't know how to feel. That's basically the same as no tip, bruh. That's basically the same shit. $1 is the same as no tip. $1 is the same as no tip. $1 is the same as no tip. And I gave her raggedy ass the benefit of the doubt too. I should have knew it was all bad. They had the old drunk man sitting outside, sipping on a beer in 14-degree weather. Goddamn, Krishanda, you fucking up, bitch. Your ass ain't my customer. That's what the fuck I get for EBT. That's what the hell I get. That's what my dumb ass get. She looked at me too like, nigga, you dumb as hell for bringing me my order. She looked me right in my eye like, nigga, you dumb as hell for bringing me my order this fast. Fuck wrong with you? That bitch looked me right in my eye. She was like, yeah, I got this, nigga. You should have never brung me my shit. That's the words I read from her body language when I handed her the order. She was like, yeah, nigga, you dumb as hell. Gotcha, bitch. That's probably what she was thinking as she came out. Gotcha. And she probably finna say the order was fucking damaged or wrong. She about to get all DoorDash credits on my mama. She about to get her whole $12 back tonight. Probably eating the order right now on the chat support ticket as we speak. She probably submitting a support ticket as we speak. Hell yeah, this shit was cold, damaged, and she probably gave me 1 star with that raggedy ass weave in that fucking head. Bit. That's messed up. That's messed up, y'all. Y'all did that. Y'all did that to me. I blame you guys. All 200 of y'all ass. I blame y'all. Cause that was egregious. What I just experienced right there. That was egregious behavior. I blame Sexy Red. I blame Sexy Red for that experience I just had. I feel like somehow Sexy Red and Glorilla got something to do with why I just got treated like that. I don't know. I could be wrong. I could be wrong, but I feel like if I aim just at least 10% of the blame towards Sexy Red, that would be justified. We just got a 14-mile fucking delivery. What the hell? What the hell? Well, I guess my earn by time career is over. My earn by time career is officially over. These motherfuckers trying to send me 15 miles away, bitch. Yep. And I just missed the Uber order because I'm traumatized. I just missed the Uber Eats order, guys, because I'm traumatized. Well, they kicked me out. They kicked me out. They said, you don't want to drive 20 miles away? Well, hey, well, fuck you too. They kicked me out. We made $4.50, guys. Absolutely elite DoorDash driver activity. $6, 9 miles. Well, at least we made 20, what we make, $21? At least we made 21 bucks. That'll for sure get me a half a tank of gas right there. That's crazy.